Menteri Rang Bak Kejala Conrad ke sangma ne delai pe yu ki kre wabon wa em New Shillong Township wakan thup ya second phase ka IT Park ka 400 seater working women's hostel ka secretariat thame ka skill park wa ka prime innovation hub wa em hamau diang diang delai pe ule e chna yo surok 4 lane wa wan chakani ka New Shillong wa ye wa thmu open kala yo surok 2 lane wa em hagani cha 4 lane New surok 4 lane da em le ibn ta wa kerpang ya ku ya cycle ki thaw yer ngam yo chong ke wa ki de Conrad bentik wa ki yung wadau tna New Shillong Township we kam jo ki yong sarkar dauman ki kat kam kejuk bakat ni we kat kam reality wo man ki yung sem man red mangkawi kwa I wo pun man ya woro kawi ka ni thau ko man sor kat kam kejuk bakat ni de wo perkhat I em kam hagisan paus number 1 we wo pen tna le ha ite rukam de ong Conrad de ong le wa de wara ki yung krek kam New Shillong da pun keloi ka sor Shillong halai rukam tna le man chi bha chi sen tangwa ha wakut hi dauman goi man to ya kejala dai em lang le ha ni sngi wo deputy chief minister uman le minister ka tnat urban affairs usnya balang dhar.
We are here at the new administrative city where the new secretariat and the new directorate of the government of Meghalaya is going to be constructed. But it is not just the secretariat and the directorate. As you can see behind me, there are many projects that are going on in this particular area, whether it is the IT Park Phase 1, Phase 2, whether it's this current place of having the Unity Mall, whether it's the Integrated Command and Control Center, also the program for starting the new Skills Park out here, the new Prime Hub, will be having the new heliport of Shillong will be constructed here, and other large urban buildings will be coming up in this particular area. So therefore there's a lot of activity going on, and we really want this entire zone to be a very planned area, something that is going to be very unique, and something that is more of a futuristic kind of a city. And we hope that and we plan with the view and the vision that looking forward for the next 50 years, 100 years, that this entire thing should suffice for that kind of working space in the coming years. And that's why you'll see that the roads also which we're constructing out here are broad roads with utility ducts in it. We have got walking space, we have got cycling space, as well as green space all along the roads also. So that's the kind of vision with which we're moving forward. I have come today along with our Deputy Chief Minister and all the officials to see the different projects going on, and we are very happy to see that many of them are complete and many are in progress, and by the end of 2025 we will see completion of many more projects, and by 2026 end we should see a large number of these projects being completed. So this is a really important area for us, and we are very happy to see that the work is going on as planned. And I would like to thank our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister in charge Urban Affairs, as well as the entire team of the Urban Department for having really focused and and made all of this possible. So we really look forward to it. And today we are going to be inaugurating the Integrated Command and Control Center, which again is a very important project for the state as well. Thank you very much.